Hello everyone, this video introduces the autofill function in the field calculator. The autofill function automatically accumulates a given field based on the input starting value and step size. To create a new field named result, open the field calculator. Select result as the field name. In the result equals box, enter the expression autofill, length 10. This means that in the result field, the attribute value for the first row will be length value plus 0. The attribute value for the second row will be length value plus 10. The attribute value for the third row will be length value plus 20. The attribute value for the fourth row will be length value plus 30. Finally, click Apply. The result field will then display the cumulative values calculated with a step size of 10. That concludes the introduction to the autofill function. Thank you for watching.